In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock an indicator on TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to secure your chart settings can prevent accidents and maintain the integrity of your work. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the TradingView website. If you're not already familiar, TradingView is a popular platform among traders for analyzing financial markets using various indicators and charting tools. To get started, open your preferred internet browser and type in TradingView's website address. Once you're on their homepage, make sure you're logged into your account to access your personalized charts and settings. Next, locate your chart. This step is crucial as it acts as your canvas within TradingView, displaying market data in a visual format. Find the chart you wish to work with, perhaps one that you've customized with specific indicators to suit your trading strategies. These indicators are the tools you've added to the chart to help you make informed trading decisions, so it's important to keep them just the way you want them. Once your chart is open, direct your attention to the left side of the chart interface. Here, you'll notice a range of icons that offer various functions and tools. Among these icons, look for the padlock icon, which typically represents security or locking features. Clicking this padlock icon will lock your indicator, effectively securing it in place. What this means is that once locked, the indicator settings you've configured won't be alterable unless intentionally unlocked. This precaution is particularly beneficial if you're sharing your screen or stepping away from your station, as it prevents accidental changes that could disrupt your trading analysis. So, how do you know it's locked? Once you click on the padlock icon, you might notice a change in its appearance, often turning from an open to a closed lock. This visual cue confirms that your indicator is now secure. Should you, at some point, need to make adjustments or remove the indicator altogether, the process is just as simple. To unlock, simply go back to the same padlock icon and click it once again. This will revert the lock to its original open state, allowing you to freely edit or modify your indicator settings. And that's it. Locking an indicator on TradingView is a straightforward process, but it's an invaluable tool in maintaining the precision of your charts. As you continue exploring TradingView's features, remember that small steps like this can make a big difference in your overall trading experience. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy trading!